G63 is technically the highest specification of the new G-Class money can buy right now, but Mercedes-AMG still gives you a few ways to spend even more. After unveiling the sinister-looking edition a couple of weeks ago, the folks from Affalterbach are now showing off the optional night package for the reputable off-roader in AMG flavor. Unlike the aforementioned special edition available for only 12 months, the new kit is not time-sensitive as it will serve as a permanent way of spicing up the already hugely desirable G63. As the name of the package suggests, it brings an assortment of black styling accents on the outside, but bear in mind you won't be able to order the pack on the cars that have black as the main body color. That makes sense considering it would be borderline impossible to notice the upgrades. By ticking the night package box, Mercedes will give the retro-flavored turn signals a black tint and will apply an obsidian black finish on the side mirror caps as well as on the outer ring of the spare wheel at the back. Some of the decorative elements of the front and rear bumpers will come painted in black, as will the side skirts. Tinted rear windows and black underbody protections round off the body changes. As standard, the G63 fitted with the optional night package will ride on 21-inch alloy wheels, but customers will be given the possibility to go all out by ordering a larger 22-inch set. Naturally, the visual tweaks mirror those of the regular G-Class fitted with the namesake package introduced in the second half of January. Prepare for more G-Class novelties as Mercedes has already announced the AMG range will expand beyond the G63. It's too soon to say what that actually means and whether the V12-powered G65 will be making a comeback, though we wouldn't get our hopes up too high just yet. The reason for that has to do with the fact that the turbo 6.0-liter powerhouse is expected to soldier on only in Maybach models, so the new G might not get it. Of course, there might be a Maybach-branded G later on, like the ludicrous G650 Landau that unveiled nearly a year ago in Geneva.